How to fix Snapchat app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection if you have stable internet connection or not. For that, you can launch any of the app other than Snapchat and check if it works or not. If the app doesn't work, you can give fresh restart your router. Likewise, open your settings. Head towards the option of Wi-Fi. Now click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to and click on Forget Network and rejoin it. Likewise, head back. You can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Snapchat. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can check whether app is working or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Now launch your settings. Scroll down, head towards the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, head towards the app Snapchat. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, last thing you can do is head towards any of the browser. Now type in Snapchat status and search for it. Now click on the very first website option. User reports indicate no current problems at Snapchat. If there would have been server issue, you could wait. If there is no status issue, what you have to do is close this. Now you have to completely delete Snapchat app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on your Snapchat app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.